In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to launch messages and select or create a chat. Now to create an audio file but within Messages app, use this icon at the bottom right corner. Click on microphone 1 to start your voice memo. Restart if you wish. Attach it instantly by tapping on Attach button, or you can also start it, end it with the same middle button, listen to it here and then decide what you do, restart or attach. If you wish to add already existing audio file, tap on this plus at the bottom left corner instead. Then hit Files. Choose Audio at the top. Select your file from one of those apps or by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner to see all of those sources. Then, after you find it, just tap on it. When it comes to video though, click on this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Now you can use camera section here to create your video, and after you will finish it, like that, it will be automatically attached. To add already existing one, use the same icon. Hold this sign and drag it up. Then tap on your video and hit Done. Lastly, just send it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!